Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study the last topic of this chapter, orientation in electrophilic substitution reactions. Look at this orientation. Orientation means direction. This is benzene ring and this is attacking electrophile, and this electrophile will attach on the benzene ring, and monosubstituted benzene will be formed. But the introduction of second group on the benzene ring may give rise three isomeric di-substituted products, ortho, meta, and para. On chance basis, 40% ortho, chance basis 40% ortho, 40% meta, and 20% para products will be formed. But the actual di-substitution of benzene does not follow this principle of chance. This can be explained with this example. Meta-chloronitrobenzene is the main product. When nitrobenzene is reacted with chlorine in the presence of FeCl3, then the incoming group, chloro group, will attach to the meta position, and this will be directed by the group already present, nitro group on the benzene ring. It will direct the incoming group to the meta position plus HCl is formed. On the other hand, a mixture of orthochloronitrobenzene and parachloronitrobenzene is obtained. Look here, when chlorobenzene is reacted with mixture of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, then group already present, chloro group, will direct the incoming group NO2. It will offer two positions, ortho positions and para positions. This is ortho position and this is para position. Now we will explain it further. It means that the group present in the monosubstituted benzene ring has the directive effect. Two types of groups are present on the basis of directive effect. Number one, ortho and para directing groups. Number two, meta directing groups. Ortho and para directing groups. The main features, main characteristics, main properties, and main points of these groups you should know well to understand the mechanism of the orientation. First property, first characteristics, first point is that these groups release electrons to the benzene ring, thereby facilitating the availability of electrons to the electrophiles at ortho and para positions. Look here. Here methyl group is present on the benzene ring, and this is the ortho para director. And the main reason for the offering more than one position is that these groups release electron on the benzene ring, and electrons are available at more than one position. Ortho and para positions are available, so the incoming group will attach itself to the ortho and para positions. This results in the increased chemical reactivity of benzene ring. The benzene ring can offer more than one position to the incoming group. That's why benzene ring will offer more than one position to the incoming group in the presence of these ortho-para directing groups. The electron releasing effect of methyl group is significant. Methyl group electron releasing effect is very significant, prominent. It makes ring a good nucleophile. It makes good nucleophile. Due to increased reactivity, more nitro groups can enter the ring. Look here. This is toluene methyl group present in the presence of HNO3 and sulfuric acid, temperature 60 to 70 degrees centigrade, and then 2,4-dinitrotoluene is formed plus 2,6-dinitrotoluene. These are mixtures are produced by the methyl group, which is ortho and para directing groups. If conditions change, if we will change the conditions, temperature 100 degrees centigrade, nitric acid, sulfuric acid same, then this product is formed. The methyl group already present will direct the incoming nitro groups at more than two positions. Ortho, this is ortho, para, ortho. These are positions that numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 पे भी 2, 4 and 6 contain nitro group. Nitro group will attach on 2, 4, 6 positions, and this is product is 2,4,6-dinitrotoluene. and abbreviation is TNT. This is highly explosive compound used in wars, etc. And important compound as well as important reaction. Number second category is meta-directing groups. What is meta-directing groups? Main features, main properties of these groups are these withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. If we compare these meta-directing groups to the ortho-para-directing groups, then you will find the difference that these groups withdraw electrons from the benzene ring, and that group's previous case release electrons to the benzene ring and increase the reactivity of benzene ring. But these withdraw electrons from the benzene ring and reducing the availability of electrons result in the decreased reactivity, and its effect is opposite to the previous group. Due to the electron withdrawing effect, ortho and para positions are more electron deficient than a meta position. Thus, incoming group will prefer to attack on the meta position. Nitro group is meta-directing group when it is treated with and reacted with an HNO3 sulfuric acid, temperature 95 degrees centigrade. Then NO2 group will direct the incoming group only on the meta position, because electrons are available on the meta position, and ortho and para positions electrons are deficient. So electrophilic attack will be on prefer and feasible at this meta position plus water. And examples of meta-directing groups are N positive R3, cyano C triple bond, and COOH and these are meta-directing groups. Okay, now the end of this chapter. Okay, thank you.